Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley. If you're new here, what's up? But if you've been here before, you know I appreciate you. Today we'll be doing a clean with me. We're going to be deep cleaning these floors, you guys. The theme of today is to get the floors clean. That's all we're doing today. I know it's kind of weird, right? Something different, but I felt it's needed. So let's just finish getting everything off the floor and get started. When I say everything, I am referring to all of my chairs and baskets. I'm not moving my plants or like large tables and consoles. The next phase is sweeping. Guys, I took out the good old fashioned broom for this because we do have a Swiffer, what is this thing called? Well, a robot that vacuums at night. However, it does push dirt under things and in corners and get trapped in corners because the thing is round. So I am taking out my broom and I am hitting the floorboards, the baseboards, and everything with my broom right now. There was so much stuff trapped up under this table. It was crazy. I definitely have to do a better job at getting up under this thing more often. Because this area is so big, I do like to kind of push everything up under the bar as a gigantic dustpan just to collect all the dirt in one space. At this point, it feels like I would have been sweeping for what feels like forever, but we are nearly done with this broom and then it's on to the next broom. I know, guys, it's something wrong with me, but I really want to get all the dirt and dust off the floor before I mop. So I'm going to go ahead and point out what I'm sure most of you have already noticed. Over in our kitchen, the wood is a bit water damaged. It was like that when we got here. I hate that for me, but it will get fixed in due time. And when I say due time, I mean our time. Don't forget sweeping your pantry. I did skip my closets because my closets are generally storage areas and there are things on the floor, but my pantry floor is completely clean, so definitely do not forget to sweep and mop that area. Like I said, third phase, let's switch gears and grab the push broom. Now I had a automatic Swiffer that, collected the dust as I pushed, but she won't charge anymore. So hubby got this one from HEB when we first moved into the house. It's designed for wooden floors. It's just to collect all dust and debris still left behind. Sweeping kind of just pushes dust in the air. This kind of collects it and it gets trapped within the microfiber cloth. This thing is called Bonna. B-O-N-A. Yeah, it's from HEB. Finally, the mopping phase. I'm pulling out my good old trusty O-Cedar mop. This is the first generation O-Cedar, so yeah, it doesn't have that pretty little attachment. I am adding some Ajax cleanser I picked up at the Dollar Tree. It smells really good, but the color is very weird, so I'm using it to mop. It comes out great. It smells, like I said, very, very delicious. You know the routine, just put in that shoulder work. I know, girl, your back is hurting. You ready for it to be over with. The kids are nearly home from school. This has to be completed. Y'all, I backed into the decorative thing. I should have moved it before I started mopping, and I never remember. I always failed to remember to move that pampas grass from up there, and I backed right into it. Dust all up in that area. That's why I look so weird there. I got frustrated, and I was like, whatever, just keep moving, keep pushing through. But if you notice, little white fuzzes on my rear for the rest of the video, that's pampas grass, seeds, whatever you want to call it, is there. Rule number 1, make sure you do this when no one's home, because yeah, that duck walk, that's what's going to happen next. Sorry, Ray. So I purposely planned to do this during lunchtime so I would be the only one here. But look here, babe came home early, so yeah, I'm just going to push through. The purpose or the objective is to finish before the kids walk through the door. This segment is most satisfying for me. I guess because it's just the largest area. The way that the water glows with the dim light is perfectly satisfying. I absolutely adore this section. We're done, y'all. Yay, we made it. This is the reveal. As you can see, it is now nighttime. I got this shot after everyone went to sleep, but my floors are clean. Look how beautiful. Now, I don't like them to shine. It attracts so much more dust and debris. You can just see it way more. I like them to be right on this semi, whatever you want to call it, whatever. I like them to look just like this. That's going to be all for today, friends. I hope you got the motivation to get those floors clean. Until next time, peace.